Day 2. We've been hearing voices. I was really scared.
Nookie, get your head out.
It sounds like snorting. Coming from her.
I'm gonna zip your head up. Dave, call him.
Nanook, come. Hey. Get out of there. What you doing, Goofy? You having fun camping with your mama and your papa? Nookies. And Nainer. Rana snuggled me last night. What's up, gorgeous? Nookie? What's up, buddy? You my Nookie? It's the morning, we got the fire going. Just had breakfast, drinking some coffee.
Can't open it.
Kim can't get out of the tent, even with 4 degrees.
Help me!
I'm helping.
Dave,
What are you doing?
I can't get out.
How many degrees do you need to get out of a tent?
It sucks.
Hartford education, baby.
Nookie, you're not going in.
You having fun, Mama? Videotaping your butt.
Nice. I'm not pretty. Stop.
Nookie, are you pretty?
What is wrong with you?
Here you go, Nooks. I'm going to eat bark. Rana doesn't like the flies. She barks at them. You tell him, Rana. Look, there's a beast in the woods.
Nookie!
He feels guilty. Alright, so we're all gonna go on a hike, but Nookie doesn't want to go, so he's gonna stay here. Have fun, Nookie! Have fun. Bye, Nookie! Bye, Nookie! Let's go. Come on, Rana, you're coming.
You just gonna leave your door open?
Yeah, he'll come. See? Hey, look, here comes the Nookie! I'm not stubborn, I want you to go!
Do some water. Do some water. Rana, do some water. Come here. Come here. Do some water. There. Get her coming out.
You need more. Come here, Papa. Oh, slimed. David got slimed. David got slimed. Slimed by the puppy. Look, you on the trail? You leaving us? Check out this trail. It's beautiful. Look how green it is. We are in no man's land, Maryland. Western Maryland. We're with the puppies. We're not far from West Virginia. Right, Nook? Look how good looking my puppy is. Nookie! Nookie! Yeah, who's good looking? Yeah, show us your tushy. Rana? Hey, gorgeous. You having fun? I think Nookie wants to go. What do you think?
Yeah, waiting for us.
He's like, what's taking you so long? Hey, gorgeous. What is it, Nookie? Nookie, you're goofy. What are you doing, Nooks? Rana and Nanook at the scenic overlook. What do you see, Rana? What do you see, Mama? Let's see what we see. Look at this. That's the lake we're gonna go swim in. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous?
Yeah.
Rana, what do you see up there? Do you like the overlook? Don't bang your head. And we made it off the trail. And now we're going back to the campsite so Nookie can crash. Right, Nookie? Sleepy Nookie.
An outlet in your car.
Are you tired, Nooks?
Oh.
What?
You have an outlet in your truck that I can charge my phone?
Yeah. Nookie, you look sleepy. You're gonna push down the tent.
Filming the road. Filming the road. Taxi driver Dave picking his nose. Puppies are pooped from our hike today. Rana. Rana. Nookie sleeping.
Good day for a drive.
And then Cherry Hill.
Assistant living. Hey, Mom and Dad, we're telling you to Cherry Hill assistant living. Man, it's a farm. Welcome to an accident.
For an accident. This is the Nookie. Hi Nookie. Hi Rana. Did you get kisses? Here's your Rana and Nookie. Rana, Nookie, Rana. Give me kisses. Nose of Rana.
Look at that thing. Jesus. It's not bad. I like the blue.
Yeah, I do too.
Maybe not for the dog.
Nookie, what do you think? You want to go in? Who's the swimmer? It's him, isn't it?
No, it's actually her.
You want to go in, Rana?
Oh, what you doing? What you doing behind that tree? Mama. Rana, what's Mama doing? Nookie, where's Mama? I see you. What you doing?
I'm done. Why are you wet?